this is Mark with Brand Source Service, and today we're talking about water filters. And if you decide that you like your water or you already have a filtration system in your home, how to install a bypass. Not all machines offer a bypass, but some do. This is a GE we're working on today, and we'll show you how that works. So essentially we have a filter in place right here, and I'm just going to show you that the water works with the filter. And then we'll take the filter out. And without a filter in place, you're not going to get any water, unfortunately. So normally these fridges come with a bypass. Some machines don't, and you'll have to buy them separately. Some machines have them built in. This is our bypass, and it's basically just tricking the machine to think that there's a filter in place. So when you install that bypass, you'll hear the water rush into it. That means you have it in place correctly. And as you see, we have water again. Stay tuned weekly for more videos.